Here's problem 21. It says Mike sold a total of 48 sodas at the snack stand. The stand sells only cola and root beer. So I know the number of colas plus the number of root beers sold adds up to 48. So maybe he sold 20 and 28. I don't know. He sold twice as many colas as root beers. So there's twice as many colas were sold as the root beers. So we want a relationship between colas and root beers. Now I've got to think, is it 2 times the number of colas sold equals the number of root beers sold? The number of colas equals 2 times the number of root beers. He sold twice as many colas. I know this number is twice as big as the R. So what I'm going to do is the number of colas, to make them equal, if I multiply the root beers by 2, that's going to tell me the number of colas. Because if he sold 10 root beers, we know the number of colas is 20. And he sold twice as many colas as root beers. So just put the C in R and then think, where does the 2 need to go? So the number of colas is twice as many. 2 times the root beers will equal the number of colas sold. Now notice this is a system of equations. I have C equals 2R here, and I'm trying to solve what's going to make this true and this true. Right here, C equals 2R. Boom! Simply do substitution. I replace that C right there with 2R. So 2R plus an R adds up to 48. So 3 times the number of root beers sold is 48. That gives me, divide by that 3, you're going to get 16. He sold 16 root beers. That means the number of colas sold, he sold twice as many. 2 times the 16 is going to be 32. The question though says, how many root beers did he sell? 16 of them. Choice D. 16 root beers, 32 colas. There's problem 21.